Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have the graph GRT, and not only that, but we are going to see the potential of many altcoins out there. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. All the links in the description box. Let's go right now to see the GRT, the graph. So as we talked about yesterday, okay, GRT, we are expecting it to go upwards despite what Bitcoin is going to do. And what I mean by that is accept a crash. Okay, if Bitcoin had a crash of around minus 15 to 20% in just 2 days, for example, then of course GRT against USDT would crash as well. But at the same time, if Bitcoin goes sideways, have a normal correction or a normal pump as well, or a heavy pump, this will bring GRT into a very good position. GRT will face a huge increase in its price, and I'm talking about that GRT will be going even higher than the 0.23 that it had, towards the 0.32 and maybe even higher as well. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the first target that GRT will achieve. It is, I'm going to draw the fib from the top to the bottom. We have the 1236 in which it plays an important role, and this is the 0.28. Okay, so the first target about GRT will be the 0.28. Now, let's make it a little bit more simpler. If you want, if we say that we focus more on the lower time frames instead of the higher ones, when you should buy? Okay, you should be buying once GRT closes above the 0.1267. If it goes above and closes above the 0.1267 into the daily frame, then GRT will manage to pump up to the 0.14, 0.1562, 0.17, and finally the 0.9060, in which it will be the most important resistance level for GRT. Now, if we do not close, if you want to play it on the safe position, if we do not close above the 0.1267 in the daily frame, that is, then do not enter. Okay, if you want to play it safe, then do not enter the market. If we do that though, then enter a long position immediately. Okay, for GRT against USDT chart, right now we are running above the 200-day moving average in the daily frame, and we found it as a support level, which is pretty good, pretty nice right here. And to be honest with you, that's why I'm thinking that GRT and many other altcoins that are on the same position, in the same position as GRT, many altcoins have been riding the 200-day moving average and finding this line as the support level. I think that they are going to pump more, just like what Bitcoin did back here. If you see in the daily frame, we are going all the way back there, riding the 200-day moving average, exploding. Okay, the same that is happening in all the bull cycles that they begin. Right now for Bitcoin, things are looking good. They do not look bad. We had a breakout in the lower time frames. We want to see what this will bring. I'm personally very optimistic. I was very optimistic since there. I thought that May would be a bullish month. Yeah, I was wrong about that. But despite the fact that May, until now, we haven't closed as a bearish month yet. Okay, we have a minus 6%. Let's see how it will close. But despite the fact that we had that, I personally think that Bitcoin and many altcoins will achieve higher lows and higher highs into the next few weeks. So GRT will face a nice pump over the next few days. I think that GRT will be ready to fly and will be ready to achieve higher targets, and it will start something impulsive like this price action. Okay, I'm not talking about this whole general price action, but I think that to achieve the 0.28 is a 126% over the next period, over the next few weeks. I think that we are going to achieve the 0.9060 very easily. The 57%, 50+% pump of GRT will be inevitable. And to me personally, because Bitcoin is going to go to the 32,000 USD, it is going to help many altcoins achieving those targets. Of course, as you all know, Bitcoin is pumping first, then the altcoins are following. So a very nice environment for the altcoins as well, not only for GRT, but I'm focusing on GRT because it is right now probably going to the third wave. Okay, and it is ready to pump even more. We had some nice breakouts into the short term wise, into the weekly frame, the only bearish pattern is that we are down from the 50-day MA and we found rejection in the 20-day MA. That's why though you can see that 0.1267 is a pivot point, because the 200-day moving average, the 20-day exponential moving average in the weekly frame is approaching this line. So yeah, once we reach that again, we need to close above. Closing above though will get us all the way up to those targets that we have in our chart. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.